Good morning class. Today we will discuss about electrochemical series. Okay. Earlier we have discussed about how to represent a galvanic cell, then about the standard hydrogen electrode, that is a reference electrode. So for now we will discuss about the electrochemical series. What is it? Students, simply when different elements are arranged in increasing order of standard reduction potential, the series thus obtained is called electrochemical series, or you can also say it as a activity series. Okay, what happen here when you will see the electrochemical series, then you will see that they are the electrodes and the electrode reaction is there, and along with that the potential is also given, that is the standard reduction potential. Okay, so for this whenever you can also assume it as that the standard electrode potential of various electrode is determined by connected it with standard hydrogen electrode. Earlier you know that standard hydrogen electrode is a reference electrode, so when it is connected, then the standard electrode potential of various electrode is determined. Okay, so for this let us start. As our topic is electrochemical series, so it is simply when we connect a standard hydrogen electrode. Okay, then what we can determine it. Okay, so as a result of this a series is obtained. Okay, when we connect the standard hydrogen electrode, then for different electrodes different values are obtained. So these values are just arranged in these order. This is termed as the increasing order of electrode potential. Okay, so this is the set, or you can say that the series is obtained, which is known as electrochemical series. Okay, this is only the electrochemical series. So, or we can also say that the electrochemical series is an arrangement of various electrode system in the increasing order of their standard reduction potential. These are the various electrode. You can look here: lithium, potassium, barium, calcium, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, chromium. Here it is chromium. Okay, don't assume that copper, this chromium, then iron. So these are the different electrodes. So for various electrode system, this arrangement is an increasing order of their standard reduction potential. This is the value of a standard reduction potential. That is, for lithium it is minus 3.05 volt, for potassium it is minus 2.93 volt. So it goes on increasing. Okay, for iron it is minus 0.44 volt. So this is the electrochemical series. Okay, what it is? The simple arrangement of various electrodes. You can look here, the electrodes in the increasing order of their standard reduction potential. Okay, and when standard hydrogen electrode is connected to this, okay, then these values are obtained. Now students, there are some more in the series. See, you have to remember this by whatever means you can remember it. Just try to remember it at most up to mercury or bromine. You have to remember. Likewise, there are different ways for any person to remember anything. You can assume anyone. Likewise, I remembered it like uh, likbakana magal. Again, see, likbakana magal. Then I say like this कि जिंक क्रोमियम फिर कूड़े को नहीं. Okay, likewise this you can just have any quotation, any coding for this to remember these things. Okay, generally when the questions which are asked from this portion, sometimes directly will be asked that what is electrochemical series, give the characteristic of electrochemical series. So at most you have to just write down 10 electrodes and their standard electrode potential, if you cannot remember the all. But just try to remember about 5 previous, then hydrogen, then 5 later. Okay, that is up to hydrogen. Just write down hydrogens also, that is minus 0.00 volt, then it goes on increasing, as here for case of copper it is plus 0.34 volt, then in case of gold it is plus 1.42 volt, then in case of fluorine it is plus 2.87 volt. Okay, so it is totally up to you how you are remembering it. Just you have to firstly write the definition which is given here, then you have to write the series. Okay, and then the third part will be of the characteristic. What are the characteristic of electrochemical series? Characteristic, you all know, it is simply the character of the species or anything. So here as it is electrochemical series, so you have to write the characteristic of this electrochemical series. Characteristic, what we want to say, as you know, at most of the time we are saying that increasing order. So here the standard electrode potential is in increasing order. Okay, but now what we have to just see is that you can look here the values are negative. You can look here, all the values are negative here. From which end? Up to the value of hydrogen. You can look here, up to the value of hydrogen all the values are negative. So it indicates something. What does it indicate? This is the very first characteristic of electrochemical series. So those electrode which have negative value of a standard electrode potential, they act as anode. Okay, wherever there is negative sign in the standard electrode potential, or you can say that a standard reduction potential, that electrode act as anode. You have to remember this. And when it is act as anode, when it is connected with standard hydrogen electrode. Okay, all the negative signs will pretend like anode. So whenever you see in a general reaction that there is a given Li plus or Na plus or Mg plus, likewise if there is a reaction like Cu plus Zn plus Cu plus Zn, it converts into Zn plus Cu. So just you have to just take care that zinc, you can correlate it here also. Zinc, you see the value of zinc is negative, so it will be act as anode, that is here oxidation will take place. And what does this mean? It will lose electron. Okay, and similar case for copper, you see that here copper is in 2+ state and goes to copper ground state, that is zero oxidation state. So you can see the value of copper, it follows to plus. So this also is a characteristic of the electrodes, that here onward from hydrogen onwards the value are positive. What does this indicate? So just have a look. This simply indicate that those electrode which have positive value of a standard electrode potential, they act as cathode. Okay, so the electrodes which have negative value act as anode, and the electrodes which have positive value, they act as cathode when connected to standard hydrogen electrode.